Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my another blog in English blog. So in this blog, actually we are learning English to how to communicate and yourself. That actually I will share in videos. So because and this is morning time, actually approximately around 8 a.m. the right now, and this is actually the sunrise here. So because actually I am learning English, so actually my daily routine, guys. So because actually I am practice every day, because actually I want to communicate my English journey. It is the super moment of my life. So because I would say that, and because actually it's sunrise, the very the feeling hot, it is the sunny day today. The wind is blowing the very low since morning. So right now I just take a shower. So I just came it right now home. So I prepared my breakfast, the morning time routine, because actually every day I would say that actually every day I get up early in the morning, approximately the 6 a.m. Then I will I go to the washroom, then I come back at home to take a shower, then I put on the cloth, and that is the worship to God. And actually I am devotee of the Volenath. So because actually this is my daily routines. Actually I like this the food only, and the gram nut and peanuts and cucumber, tomato, and green coriander, and so I take little bit, and cumin seed. So actually I will roast it, and the spread, and all the my fruit salad, and every day, because actually I am caring to my personal is body. So because actually uh, 15 days actually I was very sick, and I had typhoid, and I just recovered, and so actually I have to the care myself, because actually food. So I want to say that, guys, would you like to uh, outdoor and junk food, please remove, because and junk food is very harmful for our health. Actually we should not eat the junk food outdoor. The actually junk food that they are the selling the out, actually already the opened, and very dust, and put on this food. Actually we should avoid, and these and this is because actually I don't like, and that the junk food, because actually I prepares and I cook every day at home. Actually I will cook, and after that eat at home right now. Then salad in the morning, my routine, the I will eat salad, and then afternoon actually lunch the little bit in the chapati, and like dal, vegetable is something. Actually in the summer season, the feeling of thirsty, the water, the more water and should be you and drink, and every day, because actually water is a very care for your stomach and brain. So everything is a body is a perfect. I just took bath, and now I just actually walking here. So right now, so because actually I have been thinking since morning, because actually I will speak, actually I will improve my English. Actually my English is these days actually I am practice, and every day in English blog. So everything I will share, all activities and of my day. So because actually I have to go to my office today, so I will the care. Actually I have to get up early in the morning, because actually my daughter is the holiday, and uh, so she will go to the school the next month, the 1st April from. So that, so guys, overall my time is overall completed. So I have to go to the my duty. So I will meet you the next video. Please guys subscribe in this channel, so that actually English channel, English blog, so I will share in everything that. So thank you for the watching, and thank you so much for the watching, and please guys keep it to the subscribe in this channel. Bye bye guys, take care.